Alrighty. What are these figures? Oh wait, it's in this bag thing. I feel some. Alright, I'm gonna do about the figures. These are all the ones. So these are the official figures. So these are some of the official Rainbow Friends figures. These figures are very tiny. I don't know why they made the figures so tiny, but they made them pretty tiny. We're gonna look at Blue first. So as you can see with Blue, the eyes are a little bit different. Also, I don't remember Blue having that eye. Also, I don't remember Blue doing karate before. Something with this figure is like really high quality. And also his legs remind me of karate, if you don't see. And this is heavy plastic. And you can see the glue coming out. And then on the back, you can see the back part. And you can see the crown up from up here. So here's Blue. We're going to show all the figures when we're done with the video. And there's Green. If I can get Green to stand up. Okay, Green actually looks really good. The eyes look pretty solid. If you don't look at the eyes, they're in two different directions. Green needs to go see the doctor. So Green actually looks really good. His arms are like twisted. So I really like about these figures. And his arms, like his parts right here, they're actually hanging down. So here we go. This is a pretty good figure. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this figure? Here's the back of Green. And here's his tongue and his spiky teeth. Alrighty. Here's the Green. Now we're going to look at Orange. The one thing that I really like at Orange, I like how he's carrying food. Also, he has one food in his hand. I don't know what kind of food it is. It's like, maybe like chicken. Maybe it's like, maybe like beans or something. But why would he use his hands on beans? And also Orange, he's hiding it. And the teeth are really sharp. And you can see his tongue is right here. Here's his tail. Here's his tail right here. Here's his feet. Here's the back side of Orange. So, yeah. Here's Orange. For the final figure we got Purple. Now this figure looks very awesome. And apparently this figure doesn't stand pretty well. I like how you can see, if you look here, here's his normal face. You actually see his teeth from right here. That's what I really like about these figures. And you can move the hands a little bit. Well, with the, I don't know if it's like other minifigures, but apparently I got these figures from Target. If you guys want to get your own figures, they're available at Target. You can get these figures. They're really good. Alrighty. So here are all the Rainbow Friends figures. Let me know in the comments which character is your favorite. And if you guys want to see more Rainbow Friends, or if you want to see more alphabet lore on the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel right now. And I will see you guys in the next video.